Hi everyone, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of the 20th through the 26th. Here we go. Okay, so here comes the fun. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my pages and we're gonna start planning. I love planning in my catch-all. This is my main planner. It is called Moody Florals, and I'm gonna be using a couple books. I'm gonna be using The Fashion Girl. It is from eStarCase. If you guys are interested in purchasing that, there is a code for 12% off in my links, so go ahead and follow that. I also want to use these fantasy floral language sticker book. It's one of my favorites. I also have these little ones from them, and I'm gonna use some Westie stickers with all of that. So it's gonna be a combo of a little bit of everything. I really love this sticker book, and I'm so excited to use it. So just stay with me, and here we go. So as you can see, this is a happy planner. It is a classic size in case you were wondering. So that's where I am. I'm gonna be planning some of the girls in here with some florals. I am so excited because this week on the 26th, Toa, my little Westie puppy, turns 1. So super excited. What I am doing for his birthday is I have filled up a doggy piñata with those 2-inch tennis balls for him. I think there's about 38 of them in there. He's gonna be so excited. Tennis balls are his favorite thing in the world. So he doesn't like snacks very much, but he does love tennis balls. So I'm super excited to do this for him. And of course I want to celebrate with a spread as always. So here we go. I hope all of you guys are doing well and that all of you guys are healthy and happy. Let me know, how is your spring going? I'm always curious to see that. And before I place more stickers down, I'm gonna draw some checklists. So I don't draw lines. They do tend to distract me, and I don't necessarily love the look in the planner. I think if I was planning in a big and I could make the lines not from line to line, but kind of float in the air, I would like it more. But with this one, it's kind of hard to line them up exactly, right? So this is why I do it the way I do it. No big deal. I really like it. So I'm gonna be using those 2 books, and like I said, some Etsy stickers of Westies that I have. I'm also going to be doing a couple other things in this planner, so stay tuned. The checklists are in you guys. Woohoo! Success. Look at this girl though, from the Fashion Girls. She is gorgeous, isn't she? And of course, I pulled out my Westies because yeah, I am obsessed. I'm actually beyond obsessed. So she's in 2 different positions right here. So it's kind of fun. But we'll see how this turns out. I am super excited. Okay, I'm gonna put this little Westie running towards that girl because yeah, he loves his little humans, right? Anyway. Also, I did make an Instagram for my dog. It is Towa D Westie, so TTOWA D Westie. And yeah, it's kind of fun to be able to do that for him as well. Or it is more for me. I don't think he knows that he's on Instagram, you guys. But although who knows, he's a pretty smart doggy. Okay, I'm gonna place some boxes. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. So 26th is his first birthday, so that's why I wanted the bigger sticker in there. And then now I'm just gonna be placing boxes. I'm gonna see if I can do just purple and pink, kind of stick with the theme here. but we'll see. Maybe I'll need to add some other ones. Let's add more, maybe green ones. Would green work? No. Kind of clashes. Yeah, let's add this purple one. So I have a very, very eventful week. Every day I'm gonna have something going on practically. So I've been so busy. My planning has been kind of pushed back a little, but I am trying so hard to get back on a schedule with filming and editing. But I don't know if you guys ever edited a video, and if you did, you know how much work it is and how long it takes. So especially because I do voiceovers, that's practically twice as long as the video. So I sit and cut the videos until I like it. I speed them up or slow them down or zoom in and stuff like that, and then I watch the video again and then record my voiceover. So yeah, it's a lot of work. In case you've never done it and you want to try, let me know. I'll give you tips how to do it. But if you don't have to, I do not recommend it. Okay, I'm gonna add this girl in here. I wanted her hat on top of the box and not under it, so I can't even speak, you guys. So yeah, I've been a mess. I don't know what's going on, but I've been a little bit of a mess and all over the place, but sometimes that happens and that's okay. Okay, I have picked up the Go Wild book from Mojo Jojo Plants. Yeah. There's lots of pinks and purples in there because that's kind of the colors of the Go Wild, and they're very, very close to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these because look how close they are. Like, they are a different purple and a different pink because I picked pastels, but I'm sticking overall with those two colors for now, and we'll see how it goes. So these little boxes, as always, are for my work schedule because I am salaried. I do need to keep track of my hours on my own. So yeah, there's that. So it'll be fun. Oh, look at this guitar. I love it. Or ukulele or whatever this is, but the musical instrument is super cool on those flower and book background. I really like it. And then there's this dress. And of course, more Westies, you guys, because that's what I'm all about lately. My obsession has no end, you guys. Truly, if you met me, that's like, I talk about the Westies so much. Okay, so yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna add one more sitting right there, waiting until this girl stops talking on the phone. So okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the elements. So let's go ahead and add some florals to kind of correspond with all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut florals here and add them to the edges. I don't know what it is lately about florals and edges, but that has been my jam, and I really, really like how that looks. So I'm gonna be adding that to my planner like so. Let me know if you guys like that effect or if it's too distracting for you. But like I said, I've been enjoying this immensely, and I think it looks great. But again, everybody has such a different taste. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna cover up this Westie just slightly so he's behind flowers. I'm gonna cut the strip off to make it even smaller. Yeah, I love how this bottom edge looks. It makes me so happy, you guys. Okay, we still need to fill out some of this because it looks a little naked to me. I do love a full spread. So we're gonna add a few more elements and go from there. Okay, I'm gonna pull this from the girl book. It looks very comfy. I'm gonna add these glasses right there. I don't know if I like that. Okay. Let me first fix this. I want to add some of these clear stickers. You can also get those on eStarCase. And like I said, the link is in there. I got a set of 4 books and each one is different. Some of them have fun fonts, some of them have slightly different words, so I am playing with this a little bit to kind of make it my own. So I'm going to move this little seed on top of the flowers. That's okay. And I'm going to put "You Are the One" for my little doggy up there, because look how cute that is. Take you time. I think it's meant to say take your time, but it is what it is. So I'm going to leave it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add one more, maybe. My favorite? What about that? Let's see. Yay! I think that looks so cute. Okay, let's remove this line. Yep, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this back in. But yes, this is multiple pages. It has like yes and no, it has miracles, joy, stuff like that. So it's kind of fun. And this book in particular, it's like pink, purple, light pink, dark pink, different pinks. There's some like yellow mixed in there. So these are really, really fun to work with. At least I really enjoy it. But yeah, I am almost done with this spread. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of something because I'm missing something, you guys. Like that Thursday is looking very bleak to me. Anyway, let me know what you guys think so far. Let me know if you think I should fill out Thursday or not. Like, what do you think? I want to add one more. Make each day count. Yeah, and I'm gonna cut it because I do like cutting my stickers to make them fit or look better or last longer, stuff like that. So we're gonna do that, and then let's add something like a floral, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you soon for another video. I'm getting back into voiceovers, so you guys should be getting more videos pretty soon. Sorry for all the delays. Have a great week. Bye.